Hello friends, how are we all? Trust all over the world. Welcome and thank you for joining me on this session today. Do not forget to press the like button and also subscribe my channel and do press the bell button. So for the session of today, come.
How are smoke flavored Punjabi kulchas baked in a wood fired oven by a traditional style bakery? But before that, Om Namo Shri Ganeshaya Namah. May He bless us all with true knowledge and wisdom. Girdle roasted, burnt and scraped cottage cheese or tawa paneer kurchan masala. Cut open a smoked Punjabi kulcha. This is what it looks like. And smear hot and spicy sauces or dips of your choice. And add girdle roasted, burnt and scraped cottage cheese and salad of your choice. Enjoy, but the question is, how are these smoke flavored kulchas made? And that is what I'm going to show you now. I am at the bakery and the stack of wood there, the stock of baked products by this bakery and the Punjabi kulchas. This is how they are kept. Now, inside the bakery, look at that furnace. Trays of raw Punjabi kulchas are being placed in the traditional wood-fired oven to be baked, one after the other there. Ingredients used to make Punjabi kulchas are all-purpose flour, yeast, salt, sugar and oil. One after the other, the trays go in. The temperature of the traditional wood-fired oven is around 240-260 degrees centigrade approximately, or maybe even more. But one after the other, the trays go in. The kulchas are baked for 40 seconds, that is half done. This is the reason, yes, Punjabi kulchas, given more time, will not be baked properly, as they will remain raw in the center and in the middle. Therefore, they have to be half done. And moreover, they achieve the kindling point very fast and hence burn out. And you'll see it also in some of the trays. The half-done Punjabi kulchas are now allowed to cool there. That was one of the trays where the kindling temperature had reached. Now, after some time, we come back to the bakery and the elderly owner of the bakery is busy packing the Punjabi kulchas for sale or the shelf. Kaushal, her son, is busy finishing the half-done Punjabi kulchas. The wood-fired oven is at about 100 to 120 degrees centigrade. Temperature being lower now, the time required to bake these kulchas is approximately 3 to 4 minutes, and till they swell up and become brown all around. There, that is how they will look. Look at those Punjabi kulchas. Beautiful. A junior in the meantime is loading more trays of Punjabi kulchas or any other product to be baked. And Kaushal in the meantime is busy. This is how these Punjabi kulchas are baked in a wood-fired oven in a traditional style bakery, and then they are packed and kept for sale or for the shelf. Now I do pick up a packet of perfectly baked Punjabi kulchas and head home to make the girdle roasted, burnt and scraped cottage cheese or tawa paneer kurchan sandwich and share with all too.
So friends, thanks for watching. Bye. Have a nice time. And as I always say, to live healthy, cook healthy and eat healthy.